Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is meron tayo ditong mga available lots at Mendez, Cavite near Tagaytay. So meron tayo ditong mga 400 square meter, 300, 150 na mga available na lots. Yan po yung location nila. Meron pong along Barangay Road. So it's actually good if you want to put some established or business along Barangay Road. So yun po yung Mendez Bayan as you can see on the map. Ayan. So this property have concrete roads, drainages, and there will be perimeter fences, lines for water and electricity. So I will put on the end of the video kung ano po yung magiging itsura nito ang ating project kapag meron na pong mga houses, no? So ito po is no required house design po siya, no? Ayan, may 350 and 300 square meter din po dyan. So pwede po kayo magpagawa sa inyong contractor, and if you are a plantito or plantita, maganda po rito magtanim dahil mataba po ang lupa, no? And the weather is actually the same as Tagaytay. So this one is actually available for installment, no? Alright. So makikita nyo po dito is yung kalakihan ng property, and I will also show you kung gaano ba siyang kalapit sa Tagaytay. And if you are going to bayan ng Mendez for yung mga palengke, mga school, Mercury Drug, McDonald's, and many more, that's just around 5 to 6 minutes going to Mendez Bayan. So Tagaytay naman po is around 12 minutes, no? So yan po yung Tagaytay as indicated on the map. So now I will show you our finished product.
Sample na itsura ng ating projects kapag tapos na po siya. So, actually, ito is silang Cavite din siya. Ganito yung mga sample natin ng mga finished projects. So, no required house design po siya. As you can see, depende po sa owner kung ano yung gusto nyo ipatayo na house. Ayan. So, different designs po yan. Magkakaiba po yung mga bubong. And pwede rin po magpagawa sa contractor nyo. And yan guys, may mga linya na rin yung Meralco for electricity. And meron na rin siyang water. At makikita nyo guys, malapad yung mga concrete roads dyan. Ayan. So, perfect na perfect siya for the getaway property. Meron ding basketball court, merong multi-purpose hall, and playground. Na talagang perfect na perfect para sa small family or you are with your kids para healthy living. Actually, maganda rin mag-walking dito. Lalo pagka madaling araw is naghahamog po dito. Dahil this property, ito pong develop na project natin, is just around 8 minutes to Tagaytay boundary, no? Kaya napakalamig po talaga ng weather niya. So, ayan po yung ating video. Maraming salamat sa panonood. If you were interested, message nyo lang ako on my Viber or WhatsApp. Ayan po. Or if you are actually happy with this video, kindly hit yung ating subscribe button. And syempre, share more into other people. Baka naman magkaroon tayo ng other properties na magustuhan ninyo. So, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat sa panonood and God bless.